What's going on, guys? It's the Cowboy, King of Entertainment, and I'm back in the building, and I got another video for you guys, and this is gonna be cool because we know that the PlayStation Portal just came out, and guys, I think I got something that I hope is cool, and I gotta check it out, so I'm bringing it for you guys. So I got a package and a knife, and this is the official Now Your Mama Knows knife. Let's get right into this thing. Yeah! Alright guys, so if you've been watching me for a while, you know I'm not a drug smuggler, so this definitely can't be a brick of, I don't know, it looks crazy. But let's cut this thing open, and let's get right into it. Alright, so check it out, guys. Ta-da! Look at that. In all its glory. So let's open this thing up and let's really check it out. Alright, so check it out, guys. It's a cool case for the PlayStation Portal. So anything I get when I get behind it, I get accessories and all that stuff.
I'll even pay $12 for a fatality in Mortal Kombat 1.
So check it out, opens right up. Look at this, it's like kind of like felt kind of. And it feels pretty good. It's got some spots right here. We could actually put some things inside of there. And it's pretty simple. Look at the zipper. Look at this. Got a carrying case. And I think it's pretty cool. So we're going to slap this thing in there. And we're going to see what it's like.
Alright guys, so one of the reasons why I got a case for this thing is I like to throw it in my little box right here. And I also like to have my keys in this box. And I got my headphones, I got my other mobile controller, but I sometimes just throw my keys in there, and what I don't want is it to end up hitting the portal. So let's cover this thing up, and I'll have it sitting to the side, and now I could just grab it out of a case. All right, guys, so check it out. It's pretty simple. Got the handle right here. It opens up just like that, and it's set up perfectly. This is where the analog sticks would go. This is where it would lay down on its back. Let's check it out. Simply... bam, you slap it right in there. It's perfectly fit. Watch this. Bam, there you go. All you got to do is zip it up from the zippers on the side. Got right there. Zippers on the side, over here. And you are cooking with grease. And yes, I was doing it one hand, but voila. And there you go. Your PlayStation Portal is ready to go see your fish. Your PlayStation Portal is ready to go see Alex Mercer. A bunch of Alec Mercers. Oh, even Chris from Resident Evil. How about Spawn? Your PlayStation Portal is even ready to go see the Christmas tree, and it won't be harmed. And look at that. And one of the things they said was this cover is very durable. So check this out. It has a nice, like, hard finish to it on both sides. So if you drop this thing, you're going to be good. You won't have any issues. And again, it's nice and padded. Look like it's made out of like some type of nice felt or something. So check it out. Bam. Skills with one hand. Look at that, guys. This feels good. Look, this is thick. So if something hits this, it's not going to harm your PlayStation Portal. Look at it. Even from the back protection, this is thick. Like the thickness is really good. So you're covered. Guys, if you plan on getting a PlayStation Portal, I think you should definitely get this. This is definitely something that's really cool. They got some other ones where it's kind of like a sleeve where you just slide it on. I don't think that's enough protection for me. So this is gonna be perfect. I've been using it a lot. Make sure you look out for my review that I'll be doing. I did a 4-hour live unboxing, live setup, live usage video. Check that out if you want to as well. I took all questions. It was 4 hours long, but skim through it. But with that being said, I think you should get it. I'll put the Amazon link in the description. That's my affiliate link, just to let you guys know. So if you buy it from my link, you will be supporting me. But with that being said, well, welcome to your new home. Bam. There you go. So now I can keep it like that, and I don't have to worry about my keys. Whoops. Damn, my glasses.
With that that being said, guys, thank you for watching. I'm the Cowboy, King of Entertainment. This was definitely epic because I'm a cowboy. Oh, man. And with that being said,
Subscribe to the most epic channel on YouTube for live streams every week, daily videos. Subscribe.
say it with me, guys. 1, 2, 3. And now your mama knows.
I'll make you famous.
Because I'm a cowboy. Oh, man.
And now your mama knows.